Hey everybody, Jay and A Review, and we have got a good one here today at Great American RV. Now we just spotted this one. We don't have all the measurements right here in the opening, but we'll have all that down in the description. But we're going to take a look at this destination. It's a Jayco J-Flight Bungalow. So it is a model number 40 Loft, L-O-F-T.
Yes.
So go ahead and take it away.
All right, well, obviously it is a destination, so this is not designed to be pulled around every weekend. But if you guys have got a lake house or some property somewhere and you're needing a getaway, oh, this is going to be a good one.
We just thought real quick we could just do this.
Right, so we just wanted to show it to you. Like you said, we'll put the information down in our description because we weren't prepared to do this one. But real quick, your tank pool is down there. You do have a dump area right there. It does actually have an outside shower. Now, because this is destination, you're not going to have a lot of storage on it, but you do have a little bit here, and this is going to be under your bed. Just a quick view of the back of it, just so you can kind of see how big it is.
There's another pool. Yep.
Yeah, right under there. But this one is really pretty, and we were impressed, so that's why we kind of wanted to show it to you. We're not sure of the awning length. We'll do our best to look that up for you. It looks like a 20 foot, but we'll try to get all that information for you. So let's go inside and take a quick look around.
Yeah, and we don't even have power on or anything. So.
No, but the interior of this one, as you can see right off the bat, is very light. And you have these awesome windows, so you've got lots of natural light coming in. We'll just start up here. Now these shades are pull down shades, right? Or are they power shades?
No,
they're pull down. Yeah, so you do have blackout shades all the way around. Guys, I just can't get over this massive window. How awesome this would look at a lakefront area. But you've got a table, chair. Goodness, you've got a couch down here that's going to make into sleeping. You have these removable tables on each side. Your nightstand, your end tables have storage. Your ottoman has storage. Wow, that's just great. There is just huge floor space in here. Your heating is going to be in the floor in this one. But yeah, this one is just really pretty.
Do you like the curtains with it? You're not a big fan of that?
Normally, I'm not a curtain fan,
huh.
But I like the way they did theirs because they're actually attached at the bottom so they don't flop around.
And it looks pretty good with the blackout.
Yeah, and then with the blackout shades, so yeah, I like that. Theater seating's going to be right there. I've got some storage in the middle for your remotes. Got a cup holder on both sides. And to finish out that front slide is your table with 4 chairs. Really nice. Okay, I like this a lot. Like I said, we don't have the lights on because we kind of spotted this one spur of the moment. But now if you take a seat in your theater seating, you're going to be directly in front of your TV, which looks to be about a 50-inch TV.
Yep.
And you've got storage up above that. You've got some storage down below it. You have your radio right there in the middle and an electric fireplace. Looking up top real quick, you do have a ceiling fan, and here is one of your 2 ACs in this unit. Your pantry area. So on your island, you've got solid surface countertops. You do have a plug-in here at the end. This is actually going to be a split sink, and they give you the strainer here. We really like that. So it does have a pull-down faucet. Back here around your cook area, again, more solid surface. Actually, a really great space there.
That's a lot of great space.
It is. Drawers for storage up above. And they do give you a window there that does actually slide open, so you can open that if you need to. You've got a plug-in back there storage up above your microwave. Nice big microwave. Big residential size 4-burner cooktop with the great big oven. And then on this side, really good storage and space over here for a garbage can. And big French door fridge. I don't think I've seen one with a bigger, longer doors like that.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
that. Yeah. And with a freezer there at the bottom.
Now, what you would have problems with.
Yes, the tall storage. But hey, they give you storage up there. So, and then this is another pantry-like area. And there's even more storage over there. This, you could use this as a little coffee bar because they give you a plug-in there. Now your fuses are going to be down here below. On this side of it, a couple of pull-out drawers and some storage down below that.
Wow.
Yeah, so your controls are going to be mounted right up above that. I do love this big sliding door here. Again, more natural light coming in. Now,
Oh my gosh.
check out the bathroom. Now,
Wow.
normally we're not a fan of the corner showers, but this is a big corner shower.
Well, I believe I can.
Yeah,
Wow.
more than enough headroom, and you get the kind of fancy,
Swanky.
yeah, shower system back there with the extra nozzles. So you got some space there. You can roll some towels up. They'll fit up there in that cabinet.
Yeah.
You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet, and your tissue holder is already in place. They also give you some towel hooks in here. Over here on this
Good
side.
night. What a mirror.
Wow, that is a big medicine cabinet. Nice sink area. It's not solid surface in here, I don't think. No, not solid surface in here, but good area around it. They do give you a plug-in here. Your water heater control is here, and you've got storage underneath your sink. And again, your heating is going to be in the floor in this one.
I mean,
Yeah, we don't have our plunger. I think this one,
other than
yeah, other than the shower, it would give it half a plunger.
half a plunger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this has a loft. And we're going to show you the extra storage.
Oh, goodness. Sorry.
Well, this doesn't, well, it's got your
Dirt Devil.
under there. So that's really, that one's really more of an access panel. But going up the stairs, you've got a drawer there and a drawer there.
Holy moly.
So yeah, they give you, you know, this nice storage in the steps, and they actually give you steps and not a ladder. So coming up into the loft, we're just gonna keep on coming here.
Oh my
Oh wow! All right, so you've got two like twin size mattresses up here. There's storage between it. There is a place there for a TV if you want to add a TV up here. Let's see if I can get around so you can see what's down here at the foot. You've got this storage area here with a drawer. So yeah, and you can see your whisper quiet vents up here for your AC.
Now on this side I have a plug-in and USB-C.
Okay, this side has the plug-in and the cable for the TV. Wow. Okay, so yeah, you've got a window over there, and then this side has a window too. So if you've got kids, or hey, even adult guests could be up here because it's, you can, well, you're sitting up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, you could have all kinds of people up here.
Wow.
All right. But what I really, really like is that it has stairs and not a ladder. So we're going to go down the stairs. And now there is one more step down into the main bedroom. So this is going to give you a king size bed on a slide. You do have reading lights up there on each side, as well as USB ports and the storage underneath. And this is what we showed you from the outside. So, yeah, wonderful. You've got a plug in right up there, and then you have one on this side. But then your storage in here, and a really nice hanging area right up there. But at the very back, you're going to have this window. You do have the pleated shades in here, and they give you storage drawers back here. And you've got another cable outlet there, so you can put a TV on a stand back there. But in case you're wondering about the floor space, I mean, this is a lot of floor space back here. And then you have this closet that you can use for hanging. You can put stackable washer and dryer, or if you wanted to conserve some space, you could do a combo unit in here and still have your hanging up above. Very, very nice.
This is really good.
It is really good.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco, with a J-Flight Bungalow,
J-Flight Bungalow,
and the dealership's information be down in our description. And gosh, what else we need to say about it? All the information,
yes,
will be down in our description.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, folks, I didn't start off with all that, but hey, we just couldn't turn this one down. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.